The booming of mechanical keyboards highlights how much users value precision, durability, and smart design, qualities just as essential in a wet and dry vacuum cleaner. Whether you're tackling household messes, garage spills, or shop debris, a good wet-dry vac needs to combine suction power, ease of use, and reliability. This guide reviews the best wet and dry vacuums based on performance, capacity, noise level, portability, and overall value. List No. Bissell Crosswave Cordless Max Vacuum Mop, all in one wet and dry vac combo. Hard floor cleaner and area rugs. Cordless mop. The Bissell Crosswave Cordless Max is a sleek, all-in-one solution for busy households. Combining vacuuming and mopping in one pass, it cleans hard floors and area rugs efficiently. The cordless design gives you the freedom to move around without being tied to an outlet, and the powerful motor easily handles wet and dry messes alike. Its two-tank system keeps clean and dirty water separate, ensuring a hygienic clean. The digital display and self-cleaning cycle add convenience. While pricier than basic models, List No. Bissell Crosswave Turbo Vacuum Mop, all-in-one wet and dry vac combo, hard floor and area rug cleaner. The Bissell Crosswave Turbo offers an excellent corded alternative to the cordless Max. It features increased suction power and faster brush roll speeds, making it highly effective at picking up stubborn messes. Ideal for hard floors and area rugs, it vacuums and mops simultaneously to save time and effort. Its lightweight design and swivel steering make it easy to maneuver, and the two-tank technology keeps cleaning hygienic. List No. DeWalt 6-gallon Stealth Sonic Ultra Quiet Polyshop Vacuum Wet and Dry, 5 peak HP noise reduction. If you're looking for industrial-grade performance without the ear-splitting noise, the DeWalt Stealth Sonic to stand out. This 6-gallon shop vac boasts 5 peak HP and ultra-quiet operation, making it ideal for garages, workshops, and job sites. The poly container is tough and lightweight, while the large wheels and sturdy handle make it easy to move. Its excellent suction works on both wet and dry debris. List 4. Craftsman CMX EVBE 17590 9-gallon 4.25 peak HP wet-dry vac, portable shop vacuum wet and dry with filter, dust bag. This Craftsman 9-gallon wet-dry vac strikes a balance between power and capacity. With 4.25 peak HP, it handles large messes effortlessly, making it ideal for workshops, garages, and basements. The generous tank means fewer trips to empty debris, and it comes with a filter and dust bag for added convenience. The hose and accessories store neatly on board, and its rugged design ensures durability over years of use. List 5. Craftsman CMX EVBE 17250 2.5-gallon 2.5 peak HP wet-dry vac, portable shop vacuum wet and dry with filter bag. For those who need portability above all, the Craftsman 2.5-gallon wet-dry vac is hard to beat. Lightweight and compact, it's perfect for quick cleanups in cars, tight spaces, or small workshops. Despite its size, it offers solid suction power with 2.5 peak HP. The included filter and dust bag keep maintenance easy, and the integrated hose storage helps keep everything tidy. While its capacity isn't suited for large jobs,